Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best Brad Nailer on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Win61721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer. At 2.7 pounds, the Win Nailer is one of the lightest nailers on our list, and for about $35, also one of the most affordable. It's designed to accept brads from 3/8 to 2 inches in length, and its magazine has the capacity to hold up to 106 at once. A convenient nail gauge on this magazine also makes it easy to quickly see how many brads you have left. An adjustable exhaust port allows you to choose the direction of the air exhaust, which really comes in handy for left-handed users or those who work in dusty environments. Key specs: power, pneumatic air. Brad length, 3/8 to 2 inch. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Pros: lightweight. Low price. Cons: does not include a carrying case. Number 2. Our second best pick is Porter Cable PCC790LA Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This Porter Cable nailer is one of my favorite nail guns for beginners, regardless of style or type. It's battery powered, so you don't need to deal with purchasing a separate compressor, and thanks to its color-coded controls and settings, very intuitive to use. The directions and illustrations on the side of the tool itself also make it very hard to use this nailer incorrectly, and LED lights even alert you to any issues. It's a bit heavier than pneumatic models, so it's probably not ideal for all-day projects, but if you're looking for maximum mobility, this is a great choice. Key specs: power, battery. Brad length, 5/8 to 2 inch. Weight, 5.9 pounds. Pros: can sink 1,300 brads per charge. Depth adjustment window. Cons: heavier than pneumatic options. Limited runtime could be a liability for larger tasks. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bostitch BTFP12233 Brad Nailer. We're huge fans of Bostitch nailers, and this pneumatic model is a perfect example of why. Its 3.1 pound weight is nice and light, and combined with its textured rubber handle, makes for a good solid grip while you work. It also features a straightforward depth adjustment wheel, allowing you to easily countersink your brads however you like. The extra no-mar tips are a nice perk as well, especially if you plan on using your nailer frequently and could eventually wear through the initial tip. A tool-free jam release also makes it simple to clear brads that become jammed and lets you get back to work quickly. Key specs: power, pneumatic air. Brad length, 5/8 to 2 1/8 inch. Weight, 3.1 pounds. Pros: oil-free operation. Belt hook with pencil sharpener. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Makita AF506 Brad Nailer. Our favorite part of this nailer is the integrated air duster, a unique feature that uses the attached air supply to blast air out of the bottom of the handle. This allows you to conveniently clear dust and debris off your workspace and increase the accuracy of your nailing. Powerful motor drives a range of 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 to 2 inch into hard or softwood applications. Aluminum body, magazine and cylinder for strength and durability, weighs only 2.9 pounds. Built-in air duster provides convenient airflow to clear the work surface. Easy to use tool, less depth adjustment dial for a wide variety of finish applications. The nose is also nice and narrow, making it easier to access hard-to-reach areas and tight corners. A reversible belt hook lets you keep the nailer within arm's reach, which is always nice when you don't want to set a power tool on a finished or delicate workpiece. Key specs: power, pneumatic air. Brad length, 5/8 to 2 inch. Weight, 2.9 pounds. Pros: hard carrying case. Narrow nose design. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. If you're looking for a quality nailer that's light enough to use all day, this Metabo model could be just what you're looking for. At 2.2 pounds, it's the lightest nailer on our list, making it well suited for those all-day projects that could lead to hand and shoulder fatigue with a heavier option. Selective actuation switch lets the user easily select bump fire or sequential fire modes. Depth of drive dial allows the user to easily adjust the drive depth for a professional finish. No tip on the nose protects the workpiece from unintended markings. Located on the magazine, alerts the user when nail quantities are low so that blank drives are avoided. 360-degree adjustable exhaust port keeps dust, debris, and oil off the finished project. The hard-sided carrying case is an awesome perk, and not only makes it convenient to transport, but also ensures the tool is protected when not in use. Key specs: power, pneumatic air. Brad length, 5/8 to 2 inch. Weight, 2.2 pounds. Pros: reload indicator on magazine. 360-degree exhaust port. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.